What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you very much for stay with me still now. And I really want to give you a good suggestion to about how you can working from online and work with from your home. And at present, there are many other person who are trying to earn money from online, but they did not get any good website, any good way for the earning from online. So today I'm gonna show you another website from small tasks, and if you can complete this task, then you will get money. There have been many tasks like a YouTube subscribe, YouTube watch, website visit, ad clicks, and many other type of the tasks the advertiser are submit on here. So here is the website rapidworkers.com. So Rapid Workers is an advertising website, and there have been many advertiser who want to taken the peoples who want to trying to completing their tasks like a YouTube website, Facebook followers, and Instagram, TikTok followers, etc. So this website is really trustable. If you're working on with this website, you will definitely get money from here. So today I'm gonna show you how you can complete a task and get money from here. So especially I will talk to about this tax, and there have been many tax like here is the tax YouTube search plus view plus like easy tax fast payment. So mostly I wanna say one thing: if you have an international right in here, this country's geography, then you will working with this tax, no problem. But especially if any other tax haven't mentioned the countries, like I show you here have some tax. Hey, here is a tax search and engage 1x. They have right on USA, so this tax only for the US peoples, not for me, or not for another countries, especially on the USA. So if you from Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, and many countries, but they have no mention the country name, like write an international, then you can working on this tax. But if you like writing on the specific countries like USA, CA, and UK and USA, then you does not working on this tax. So I am from Bangladesh, that's why I working on this international that's why I am working with an international tax right here. So I am gonna show you how you can complete the tax for per day. So I choose one tax for you. So I write here website. So visit website and ad clicks. So open this tax, and I say you this advertiser requirements for the workers. Go to this link and to visit 5 post article on the website and scroll every post until the bottom. So go to this link, just copy this link and paste on here. So spend 3 minutes on the website overall. This advertiser said going to this link, I mean to say going to this website, and you just visit on 5 posts, and overall spend 3 minutes. Just you spend 3 minutes on this website and visit 5 posts. Then click on one advertisement and visit to subpage of the ad website. Only one ad is spent 2 minutes. Okay, I think you understand. So then the advertiser note your anonymity level must be 100 of the .NET website. No VPN proxy will be allowed. This advertiser said if you're gonna working with the proxy, then you anonymity 100%. After if your anonymity level is 100 less than, then you did not working on this task right here. Then after finish this working, then he want from you a screenshot from the http who.net. Send me a screenshot of your browser history showing all pages you visited on my site by using this dash. Provide the URL of the ad website you visited. Then the website writing on the value, do not click the ad visit on the website only if you are from any following the countries. If you are in live in Indonesia, Philippines, Vietnam, Pakistan, Egypt and Kenya, then you will click on it. But I'm in Bangladesh, I'm from Bangladesh, so I didn't know I doesn't work click the ads. Just working the 5 post visit. So here is the website, then the first website, the second website, the third website. This is so going again. And they have a 1 website, 2 website, 3 website, 4 website and 5 website. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He said you have to scroll down until the bottom. Then the finished, and finished. Then your work is done. So only 5 post and 5 post all article on the visit. Scroll down everyone till and 3 minutes like here. So my work is done because I did not I doesn't click on the ads because I am not this here from these countries. So I'll just click on here, go to the story, and I just take on a screenshot right from here. Take on a screenshot from here and go to like here, edit, paste here, just click on the save, and here then come to again, close this window, then this you want to going on the here. He said your screenshot submit on here and just send his link. Okay, but if you working with timebacks.com, but timebacks.com is so on the not here, just okay, here is my screenshot. You just copy this link and send out here. Just copy this link here and send on it. So employee review tasks, and we submit. I already complete this task, and I send him the requirement. Then employee will review your tasks. If you meet requirements set by employer, you will get paid. So thank you. So I already finished this job right here. So after review, if my work is 100% accurate, then this advertiser accept my work, and the money will be added on my balance. So here is a rapidworkers.com, and it's really outstanding website. And if you can working from online, and I really suggest you this website. Please working with this website, you will get paid. And here are many works. If you spend daily 1 or 3 hours, you 100% earning $1 to $5. It's really 100%. So thank you very much, and I really appreciate you guys are always stay with me, and I thank you very much for all, and let's see you in the next video. Thank you very much.